Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Now yesterday my lovely friend Amelia Johnson asked me how to customise her YouTube channel. She wanted to put links in the top picture bit, for example. So I'm now going to upload this and show you how to upload a video onto YouTube for beginners. Okay, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and if you love this video, just share it. Okay, so this little icon here is the upload post. So you upload the video by just clicking on the link where it is. Now I record mine in Zoom. My Zoom folder is in the documents, so you have to know where it goes. Zoom. Then if you write the title when you've recorded it, it's much easier. So you double click, and there you go. That's how to upload it. Now, this is customizing your channel for a better chance of getting more subscribers and more leads. So you open another window because it's very important about titles. So I was just looking at the title, Customize YouTube Channel. Customize YouTube channel. Whoops. Come on. So there's 50 searches a month on this, but I think you could do better than that. Now, I like this one here. Customize your YouTube channel for more subscribers. So that's get more subscribers and customize your YouTube channel. So that's customize your YouTube channel and get more subscribers, because there's get more subscribers. In the title, you need things that people search for. So customize your YouTube channel and get more subscribers. That's 2 in 1. Now, this is a very sneaky way to get to the top of Google. Watch this. I have got vidIQ. Whoops. Hang on a minute. I've got vidIQ and it tells you all the tags for each video. That's better. This has got a vidIQ score of 66.1 and it's turned green. If it's 25, it's red, so it's rubbish. If it's about 49, it turns yellow. And if it's probably over 50 or 60, it goes green. So the higher that number, the better. So here's a sneaky tip. See all these tags? Copy and paste them into your tags. Look, it's so easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Right then, Control V. Now, that's going to save you loads of time with your tags, guys and girls. What's my score so far? It doesn't actually go up yet. You have to tweak it a little bit more. Right, okay, so this title here has to be copied and pasted in here. Okay, whoops. The description's quite important. So you can leave a couple of links at the top, but if you describe it now, this was one specific point. how to customize your YouTube channel by adding links to your, I don't know what the top picture's called, but they're the top picture, and get more subscribers. Because if somebody clicks on one of your links, then they might recommend it to somebody else. But as it's only one point that I've made, so how to add links to your top picture and get more subscribers, I can't really say anything else about that, but I've got customize your YouTube channel and get more subscribers. So let's double check customize your YouTube channel and get more subscribers. You can have up to 500, see it's only 25 at the moment. So what you could do is go to a different video and find some more. But if I go through this step by step, let's try this one. 62,000 views. Then you'll know what to do, how to find better tags. So, okay, he's got 60, so he's quite good. But you have to not only do the tags, oh no, it's 78.5, look. So that's excellent. So if you look at his tags, customize your YouTube channel, how to design. I've got an idea, how to design, and you can have the year. How to customize, how to, oops, customize YouTube channel 2019. Whoops, that didn't work. One sec. If you put the year on, that sometimes helps. How to customize YouTube channel 2019. How to design YouTube channel. It's your YouTube channel banner, so there's a good one. How to design YouTube banner. Well, it's not really designing it, but it's sort of adding bits on, isn't it? Now I've gone over, look. So let's get rid of some of these. Channel layout. Another top tip. Whoops. I think I've got too many words. But you also need to put, says Millionaire Mom in all your videos, put your name in the tags, because then you will come up on searches for your name. Cool, eh? I haven't got many more words, but my vidIQ score is still 25. So what you do now is, so you've done the title, you've done the description. I'll do the thumbnail in another video because that's completely separate. Right, if it's public, it means it goes public, obviously. If it's unlisted, that means you can see it and anybody else you can give the link to. Private means, well, only you can see it. Okay, so I'm not putting the thumbnail on yet, but you usually do, because that's going to be another video. So I'm going to publish this. Come on, my screen's frozen. Oh no. Okay. Returned to editing. Right, add an end screen. With TubeBuddy, you can add an end screen, which is very important. Because you can send them to another video of yours, whichever one you like. So if you add an element, choose a video. Now I've done most recent upload, but that's not yours. Best for user isn't yours. So choose one of yours and choose from a video or a playlist. Now I've done some on YouTube before. Here we go. So that's going to go in that one. Then if you keep them on YouTube, YouTube's very happy. Okay, then you can add subscribe button. But look, it's gone on the top of there, so you can put it down there. So it, you know, it doesn't clash. Save. Okay. So you've added it to your playlist. Now let's just go back and see what the score is. Oh, I'm in the TubeBuddy one. It's already gone up to 48. 25 to 48. That's really good. But when I actually share it, if I share it to, hold on a second, it will go up even more. Share on Twitter. Let's see if this works. I haven't done it on here before because I'm not linked. Here we go. Facebook, Twitter. I haven't manually shared. I'm going to actually manually share it actually. So if I go back to the dashboard. If I go back to my channel, sorry. Switch me off. I need to redo that. Okay, so if I share this manually to Facebook, post to Facebook, I can turn me off again actually. Come on, darling. Twitter. Let me just turn me off for a second. It's better. So with Twitter, it's slightly different because you need the hashtags. So I'm going to put customize YouTube channel with a hashtag. And get more subscribers with a hashtag. So those are keywords, or get more YouTube subscribers. Whoops. Because those are search words that people search for. And if there's a hashtag and people search for it on Twitter, you've got more chance of getting viewed. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And the next video will be thumbnails. So don't forget to hit the like button, the share button and subscribe button, so you'll get top tips on how to grow your business as they happen. See you next time.